not as hype in Mumbai. The show is already talked about. Please tell us how it happened. How did you, initiate this? Tell us the whole story behind it.
Well, so where do I start? This journey has not started now. This has been going on, I think, since 1 year. Yeah. After COVID, we've been talking about it, discussing. There has been a lot of back and forth. How do we put this together? What are we going to exactly do? What is the plan? But in life, few things ऐसे होते हैं कि अपने आप it takes a course of its own action. So उसी तरीके से this show has come together. There's been a lot of back and forth and planning that has gone inside this. So that's how it began. Basically, this show is in South Africa. It's a Broadway Bollywood musical. So there is, and the main key feature about the show is that it's got circus acts like acrobatics and all of that, special acts and Bollywood. So that's the whole key feature about this show. Now, having said that, we had to come up with a different concept, a script that is going to reach out to everybody, and it is going to have some effect, because जब हम स्क्रिप्ट बना रहे थे बहुत सारी चीज़ें थी माइंड में, ये डालना है, ये डालना है, ये करना है, वो करना है. द फर्स्ट स्क्रिप्ट गॉट मतलब रिजेक्टेड, हमको इतना मज़ा नहीं आ रहा था. देन वी सडनली देयर वाज अ डे व्हेन आई रियलाइज थिएटर्स का ज़माना चला गया, तो हम तो कोई थिएटर्स जाते ही नहीं है. करेक्ट, लाइव शोज, लाइव प्लेज, that thing has died. Cinema is also kind of taking its weird action of dying. So I said, it just came to my head कि आजकल कोई एक्साइटमेंट नहीं होती है मूवीज जाते हैं तभी, हमें कोई वो नहीं होता कि हाँ वी जस्ट हैव अ बैड नोशन की खराब सो वी आर लेटिंग एवरीथिंग स्लोली जस्ट लीव आवर सिस्टम एंड वी कैन नॉट लेट इट हैपन. So that has been a bit of a notion for me to put this together, and that message we wanted to put out कि let not cinema die. So बहुत सारी चीज़ें थी, and we have now come together and we have put this kind of message at the end. And yes, the journey also mainly belongs to Rakesh ji and Smita di. They are from South Africa. She's just come down for the press con. So I would like Smita di to say something.
So if I take it from where she said about Cinema Dying, so just to introduce our company, which is Epic Entertainment, we have done a series of Chalo Cinema, which is 1, 2, 3, up to 5, and that was always the behind the scenes of making movies. It's, all our stage productions were on that line with different background each time, but the essence or the primary message was what we convey to our audience was mainly about Chalo Cinema, let's go to the cinema. And so this is very timing very well, a ticket to Bollywood, the fact that cinema is dying. So what we were trying to promote initially, we faced with the time now that the same thing is, has changed, all the formats have changed and so on. So this is actually the perfect time to change the thought and the essence of the show. And we've also introduced circus this time. Ankita's choreography is going to be totally different from our other Chalo Cinema previously. And also we're introducing some magic as well. So the magic of cinema is going to also be shown, and real magic as well. So, and dance, Bollywood dancing. So it's an entertainer. So to bring you back to the stage, to entertainment, and the value of the cinema, bring all that back to it. That is our aim. We're hoping we can achieve it.
Yes.
We've got our local South African dancers. We've got a few from India. So it's a collaboration with India and South Africa to uplift the South African artists as well. This is also, 2-in-1. So we also benefit by having people from Mumbai come and uplift our standards in South Africa and give in and for us to grow as well. So it has many reasons we're doing this, and we continue to do it. So yeah. Akshay, you have your entire range of
Yes. Yes, so for everybody, this is Esra, Harsh and Hiren. They have been pioneers in the whole music system in terms of जितने भी आपको पता ही होगा रियलिटी शोज में जितने भी एडिट्स देखते हो जितने भी मिक्सेस होता है these are the boys, this is the team. Harsh is also now done something for Remo sir for his new movie. He's given music, so congratulations on that. So yes, Harsh, I want you to say something.
We are Azrox Music, so we have done music for the show, and it is something different than the normal, and we are happy.
And that's Aman. He's a part of my team, and he plays a very important role. जब मेरे को नहीं खुद समझ में आता and everything is going upside down, he's like, calm down. मैं हूँ, मैं लिख रहा हूँ, मैं कर. So basically, also I have to tie this in. The script is basically a new age Gen Z AI influenced character protagonist. वो एक्टर है डायरेक्टर है वो आपको सब बाद में पता चलेगा पर वो है ना बहुत आजकल के ज़माने के प्रोटैगनिस्ट है जिनको है ना ये सब चीज़ चैट जीपीटी से पूछते हैं एआई से पूछते हैं सब इंस्टाग्राम पोल निकालो लाइक खुद का मतलब थोड़ा सा जैसे ना न्यू जनरेशन होता है तो विच इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट एंड आई कम फ्रॉम अ लिटिल तब के टाइम के तो आई एम होपिंग आप लोग काफ़ी सारे मेरे टाइम के हो वो जो है ना हम ये दिस इज a factor but then also we are the old school people हमको वो अच्छा लगता है मैं कभी भी मैं बुक में लिखूंगी notes कट करूंगी pages फाड़ूंगी I still do that so yes so what happens it's a well balance between the two he helps me put everything together and give me notes and all of that so yes that's Aman he was also he's gone to Broadway Dance Center he's gone to New York he's going to go again there so he's trained himself there so yes he's a part of the team as well
musical Broadway, you know, not easy with witnessing the past few years. But आपका जो show है उसके बाद what is that one full work connect to Bollywood that is finding?
I think there are three factors to this show if you ask me. One, the fact that you know I kept saying in my previous interviews अभी डांस कहाँ बचा अब मैं आपको नॉर्मल डांस दिखाऊंगी नॉर्मल एक एक्ट बताऊंगी आपको मज़ा नहीं आएगा एक्चुअली किसी को भी नहीं आएगा क्योंकि हमको आदत हो गई है ड्रामे की you know so every time we used to show an act to any of our producers and you know creatives बोलते थे ड्रामा करना है उसमें लाइक पर ड्रामा मतलब कुछ स्पेशल क्या है so also as audiences as all of us I have gotten used to कि हम larger than life देखे चीज़ों को ना कि बस मैं अगर सिंपल कथक परफॉर्मेंस करूँगी या सिर्फ जैज करूँगी अब यहाँ ठीक है वो अच्छा था उधर से घूमते हुए गिर गया था नीचे so we are now used to that so our first thing we have we've gotten tied the two Bollywood गाने हैं Bollywood dance है Bollywood drama है and acrobatic acts है so aerial acts we've got trapeze acts we've got trampoline acts बहुत सारी जो acrobatic acts होते हैं special performances होते हैं we're tying that with Bollywood so that's our USP second this is of course an ode to Bollywood so हमारा जो स्क्रिप्ट है वो it's this whole journey जो सिनेमा के बारे में है जब से you know I hope you all know that it's 100 years to art cinema more than 100 years और सिनेमा we play a very small role मतलब आप मैं बहुत छोटा रोल प्ले करते हैं in the world of cinema but cinema itself plays a very big role in every one of our lives we are so influenced by it आज मैं जो भी हूँ ये हमारे सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में रह जाता है पर आज हम जो भी है हम गाना सुनते हैं सो वील स्टार्ट क्राइंग हम कोई सीन देखते हैं हम उससे कनेक्ट हो जाते हैं तो हमारे लाइफ में बहुत बड़ा इन्फ्लुएंस है सिनेमा सो दिस इज एन ओड टू बॉलीवुड दैट यू नो वी वांट टू पुट टुगेदर एंड यू नो टेक दिस शो ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड शो अबाउट what is Bollywood and how can we let third thing the most important thing how can we let it die so you know I want कि हम पहले जैसे बॉक्सेस ऑफिसेस के बाहर खड़े रहते थे या कोई मूवी आता था I still remember वो इश्क there was this movie इश्क and it was so funny and आई टुक माई मदर 3 times, मम्मी वापस देखेंगे वापस. अब हम एक बार भी नहीं जाते देखने, और एक बार में भी वो किसी ने कहा कि यार तुम गए नहीं देखने, अच्छी है मूवी, तो वी वेंट, तब भी वी वेंट फॉर दैट मूवी, रिमेंबर, बिकॉज किसी ने हमको कहा इट्स अ नाइस मूवी, सो बट why are we letting it die? So this is my third important feature कि we are letting cinema die. और क्योंकि fake reviews है, क्योंकि हमने bought 100 crore बता दिया बस वो है, और हमारा कुछ दिमाग हम यूज ही नहीं कर रहे कि we should also have an opinion about a movie, खराब, बुरा, अच्छा, bad, it's okay, everything has its thing, goods and bads, but we cannot let it die. It's a very important part of our life. We are grown up with it. We are its kids. तो मुझे वही एक मैसेज भी आगे तक पहुंचाना था, along with the entire team.
So, special music, have you made something so it's recorded? So when we have music composers and not hear a song from them, go take it to Bollywood.
So for this, we have created a whole musical with dialogues.
Little loud and come closer.
We have created a whole act with dialogues and Bollywood songs, जो अभी under process है, with her direction and choreography, तो सब मिला के एक ये फिल्म है जो आप स्टेज पे देख पाओगे, और जो इन्होंने लिखा है वो काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग है. सो फाइनल प्रोडक्ट सुनने के लिए हम भी एक्साइटेड है कि एट द एंड वो कैसा सुनाई देगा, और डायरेक्शन वाइज वो देखने में कितना मज़ा आएगा.
मैंने आपसे जानना चाहेंगे ये टिकट टू बॉलीवुड कहाँ वर्ल्ड में स्टार्ट होगा? आफ्टर साउथ अफ्रीका. प्रीमियर इज इन साउथ अफ्रीका. Yes, in May. April. Where will it be starting on? So do we get to see it in Mumbai? Oh, we're hoping soon. But for now, we've got South Africa in Cape Town, Johannesburg, after Durban. We hope it's successful. This is just the pilot, the initial, and after that we hope to work on it further, make it bigger, and take it to Cape Town, Johannesburg. Thereafter, we're hoping London. Mumbai, I think, is the first stop because it's this collaboration between Mumbai and South Africa, so it should start here. And we're hoping from here to the UK and the US for now. Mauritius is another stopover, but it's all still being in the planning stage. अच्छा, एक बॉलीवुड एक्टर जिनसे आप टिकट टू बॉलीवुड करते हुए.
Yes, I also want to add that I really want to take this show to NMACC because I know this is going to reach out to all the Bollywood lovers. See, हमारा Bollywood पैदा तो इधर ही हुआ है. So when I was doing my whole research about what must my script be, पैदा इधर हुआ है, Bombay में. We were called Bombay, and that's why Bombay, B for Bombay, B for Bollywood. So I want to reach out to Bollywood lovers. So yes, I'm hoping when we come to Mumbai, we do it at NMACC. And yes, coming to your question, I have approached couple of actors. So my story has got only 2 protagonists. Okay, वो मैं आपको भी रिवील नहीं करती, बट देयर आर जो 2 प्रोटैगनिस्ट है, उसमें से एक बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट रोल प्ले करता है, एक इम्पोर्टेंट किरदार है वो जो पूरे शो को जोड़ता है. नाउ I have reached out to a couple of actors from our industry. I'm hoping that we get to boil down to somebody who fits perfectly. And yes, we are still looking for the right kind of actor, क्योंकि वो ऐसा किरदार है जिनको ये पूरे जो स्टोरी है, ये पूरा जो शो है, वो जोड़ के आगे चलना है. So he has to be really a reflection of Bollywood. So that's what we are aiming to soon find, the right actor. I would want, if you ask me. Oh, then who wouldn't want SRK? I would love Shah Rukh sir to just come and be a part of our show. I just really hope, and I think if I'll see him, I'll just be like, I'll forget my script. I'll just say, आप 1 घंटा स्टेज पे रहो, मैं बाकी कर लूँ, कुछ नहीं करना. The show will be a hit. Oh, hit is an understatement. I mean, just his presence, just his aura. I think I'm dreaming too big.
All the best. We are open to questions now.
मैम, जितने अच्छे जो टिकट टू बॉलीवुड है, आपने कब प्रोग्राम काम करना चाहिए और आउट ऑफ कंट्री भी आप शूट कर रहे हो, जिससे हमारे हिंदुस्तान का नाम भी रोशन होगा। लाइक हम कहीं हॉलीवुड की फिल्म में शूट करते हैं, जिससे भाई ये हॉलीवुड की मूवी है, आप इस तौर पर यूज करें, अभी नाम होगा, हमारे हिंदुस्तान के नाम होगा, इससे आप लोग करना चाहिए।
तो जैसे आपको स्मिता महाराज इनका नाम है, तो स्मिता दी ने बताया कि इनका एकेडमी है उधर, डांस एकेडमी फॉर 45 इयर्स चल रहा है। हमारे देश में हमारा कल्चर हम थोड़ा सा भूलने लगे हैं या हम अंडर प्ले करते हैं हमारे कल्चर को, पर वहाँ वो बहुत ब्यूटिफुली हमारे कल्चर को ग्रो कर रहे हैं। इट्स अ कथक डांस कंपनी बाय द वे, हर साल उनका कथक का शो होता है एंड यू नो इट हैज़ बिन so I have associated with them. I have been in connection with them since many years. We've done shows in the past. एक है उनका एक ब्राइडल फेयर करके होता है, एक इनका चलो सिनेमा, a lot of shows that we've done, but those were but they've always tried. The best part about Nateshwar and Epic Entertainment is they've always tried to bring in cinema to the world. हम किस तरीके से और इस चीज़ को आगे बढ़ाएं, so it was their initiative. They thought of this show and हमारी, जैसे मैंने आपको कहा, बहुत सालों से बात हो रही थी कैसे करें क्या करें, एंड दे वर वेरी एडमेंट। मतलब जैसे हम होता है ना कि हमारा लाइफ बॉम्बे में बहुत फास्ट है, तो हम एक प्रोजेक्ट किए, फिर मैंने स्टूडियो खोल दिया, फिर मैंने पॉडकास्ट कर लिया, वी आर डूइंग 10 other things. For them, they just do one thing and they keep doing it, keep doing it, keep bringing, keep doing it. So that's what I love about them also. So yes, it was their actually baby, उनका बेबी, फिर उन्होंने फिर हमारे साथ शेयर किया। फिर उन्होंने मुझे सिर्फ एक चीज़ बताई, नेम ऑफ द शो, अ टिकट टू बॉलीवुड। अब उन्होंने कहा अब तुम सोचो, देखो तुम्हारे दिमाग में क्या आता है, मतलब यू नो, एंड वी हैव सर्च एंड बॉलीवुड, अब यू प्लान दिस, नाउ यू मेक इट अप। देन आई सैट विद राकेश महाराज who owns Epic Entertainment. फिर हमने brainstorm किया, what can we do, and they are there. By the way, I have to tell you, the team is in South Africa. The entire team is in South Africa. Only them are here and us are here, and she's just come for the media launch. The team is there, and मैं रोज टीम से राकेश जी से कोऑर्डिनेट कर रही हूँ, शिबाल इज देयर, हम लोग बात करते रहते क्या सोचे, and we are all this is happening on video call. Whole planning, whole scripting, whole editing तो यहाँ हो रहा है, but whole changes, जो भी बहुत सारी चीज़ें, everything on video call. So yes, and I would want her to say where did this thought came, what came to your mind, and from Chalo Cinema to this.
I think it was Rakesh that actually wanted to do something bigger and something different, because we had explored all the genres in Chalo Cinema, starting very simply. In fact, one of the choreographers is here, Vaibhav Joshi, from Chalo Cinema 1 and 2 and 3, I think he did. And so from that, it was about Bollywood. So Rakesh says that, we need to get something more into this, make it appealing. We've been seeing all the live shows, the very popular dance-based dance dramas. So we did Desi Girls or some different programs of dance. And then we said, no, we need to get something on a notch bigger. That's where the circus and the collaboration between a circus company in Cape Town, Ankita, a choreographer from Mumbai, and in Durban, our team of dancers and lighting and special effects and so on. So that's where it started, to what was different was the magic of Bollywood and entering Bollywood, and that was the ticket, and that's how we thought about it. And so actually this time I think the title came first.
Yes, it was just a thought.
Yeah.
A ticket to Bollywood, and then उस चीज़ को, but then we made the first script, मज़ा नहीं आया, it was like linear चल रहा था, पहले ज़माने में क्या होता है, अब क्या होता है, it just got boring. So we said we have to think something beyond, नहीं तो सब बोर हो जाओगे, आप लोग भी बोर हो जाओगे, हमारी attention span वैसे ही कम है. So yes, that's how it started.
Ankita, my question is it one story that is telling with this Broadway show? Is it going to be dancing, songs?
Right.
And are you doing languages with that? Because Bollywood is not a different industry. We have so many different languages, it's a combination of languages, all integrated.
Correct.
So carry your audiences, because we have so many NRIs with different walks of life out there. So are you get to experience both? No,
So we have dialogues. So okay, I'll take you through the show. Basically, it's a script between these two protagonists, and it's all in English because it's an international audience. Unko to obviously they don't understand. In fact, my first script I put little bit Hindi. Even my circus agency artist head, she was like, I don't understand anything because they are absolutely unaware of Bollywood में क्या मतलब बॉलीवुड तो थोड़ा बहुत पता होगा उनको, शाहरुख खान, अमिताभ बच्चन, उससे ज़्यादा उनको कुछ नहीं पता होता. So I had to make sure that I reach out to them in their language. So the entire script is in English, but yes, there are bits and spurts on screen and live performances of somebody saying the famous dialogue. मेरे पास बंगला है, पैसा है, गाड़ी है, आपके पास क्या है? But then we have another dialogue from Senorita, छोटे छोटे देशों में बड़ी बड़ी चीजें, बड़ी बड़ी देशों में छोटी छोटी चीजें होती रहती है. So we've got these dialogues कि आपको वो याद आ जाए, अरे हाँ ये टाइम पे this happened, अच्छा वो टाइम पे वो this happened, and the whole thing is weaving around. जैसे also we went Natu, so has gone to Oscars, so I had to bring that. So the entire show is all these things that makes Bollywood, and how it has influenced our life. Like वो चीज़ हम भूल गए कि हम जो भी है बुक किताबों से ज़्यादा बॉलीवुड ने हमको इन्फ्लुएंस किया है. तो हम जो भी जैसे भी बिहेव करते हैं, रोते हैं, कोई सिचुएशन पे रिएक्ट करते हैं, वी एक्चुअली डू इट समवेयर इन द सबकॉन्शियस. मैंने कोई मूवी देखी थी, वो रह गया एंड वी रिएक्ट टू इट दैट वे. सो दिस कनेक्शन जो रहा है सालों से, एंड डायलॉग्स ऑफ कोर्स वी, एंड व्हेन वी ट्रैवल, suppose we are traveling to a particular country and we have to talk in French, we try and bring French, but abhi to English hai.
I see this being a wholesale family, you know, like we
Absolutely.
have the grandparents, the parents, and
Yes.
the Gen Z. You have to get all those elements together so that it attracts that type. And of course, we are all aware of the fact that Bollywood anyway attracts global audiences. So you kind of subtitling your storytelling.
Yes.
In English.
Yes.
That's perfect.
So we've got this entire screen that has been exported from a particular country to South Africa. So the production has been taken care of like that. So there's going to be like a, what is this, like a curved screen kind of thing. So you get a effect like that. So यहाँ पे भी चीजें हो रही है, वहाँ पे भी चीजें, पीछे भी कुछ हो रहा है. Performances are happening, aerial acts are happening, and then my two protagonists came. So one protagonist is this new age person who believes in, you know, chat GPT, Gen Z behavior, believes in all these kind of AI generation wala baby, and there is this one protagonist who's सबके ज़माने से जब बॉलीवुड शुरू हुआ था. So इनके बीच की जो एक conversation है and the journey, so that's what
And the clue is what's in front of us here today.
yes.
Second Pratham.
Yes, exactly, you're right.
I really admire how you speak so openly और आपने शुरुआत में कहा कि आप एक creative person हो, you're also an audience, you represent the youth. How do you लोग को ये ट्रेन रहा है बॉलीवुड का पिछले 7 साल का, क्यों हमारी फिल्म लीक कर रही है, इसमें क्या वजह आपको लगती है, बताओ यार.
So if I have to be very क्या कहते हैं, diplomatic, and then I'll be not diplomatic. Diplomatic is COVID. COVID ने सबको बिगाड़ दिया. We got used to staying at home, watching Netflix. Cinema started going down. You know, honestly speaking, you know, we got so comfortable. Situation, we got so comfortable. घर पे बैठ के देख लूँगी ना, वो आ जाएगा Netflix में, अभी मैं क्यों जाऊँ? But the experience, अब क्या हो गया? ये कौन करता है घर पे बैठ के? हमारे if my mother is still here, she still doesn't watch Netflix. No, I'm going to go watch in theater only because she's old school. अब ये ज़्यादातर कौन करते हैं? The new age people, because they want comfort. They get anxiety too fast. The new generation, so they cannot push themselves beyond a point, and they are very happy to be at their comfortable space. What they are missing is the fact that when you go and experience the big screen and when that actor is larger than life in front of you and वो जब गाड़ी घूम रहा है इतना जोर का, that they are missing, क्योंकि हम तो इतने छोटे वाले स्क्रीन पे देख रहे हैं. वो मैजिक वो मिस हो रहा है. अब थोड़ा अनकंफर्टेबल होकर हमको जाना पड़ेगा, करना पड़ेगा. we'll have to push ourselves and have faith. The second thing I feel is the influence of a lot of people. I have to be diplomatic, right? A lot of people who are influencing a lot of us. तो हम क्या होता है, उनके रिव्यू सुन लिए भाई, पर वो कितने साल से सिनेमा में, वो कितने साल से बॉलीवुड में, वो कितने उन्होंने कितनी टाइम दी है बॉलीवुड का. हाउ एम आई गेटिंग इन्फ्लुएंस्ड बाय दिस इन्फ्लुएंसर और दिस मीडिया पर्सन और दिस. वेयर इज माई ब्रेन? Why am I not having a vision, even if it's bad? मेरे को तो जाना चाहिए ना कि एक मूवी बनने में आप सबको पता है कितना आप लोग कितना मेहनत करते हो. एक ये जो आपने किया अभी जाके एडिट करोगे, आप लोगों को पता होता है कितना मेहनत लगता है टू मेक अ मूवी, और हम बस एक सेकंड में बोल देते हैं इट्स हॉरिबल. फेयर इनफ, इट्स हॉरिबल, बट एटलीस्ट डोंट बी रूथलेस. So, I feel we have to go out and do our bit by just watching the cinema, and it's dying because
The quality of storing or filmmaking, primarily, so I think वो है.
I want to add a point to that, to what you just said. So in foreign countries also, like for instance South Africa, recently a friend of mine said that, which movie did you see last? How was it? They asked me, because they said they don't want to see the movies that are coming out that are like Hollywood. They say because we miss our bodies, like Indians, we want to have that connection. So that old is gold thought and enjoyment of older movies and that style, that's what they want to see. This is the my generation and so on. They don't want to see rehash of. They can go and watch a Western Indian, go and watch an English movie dubbed.
The quality of storytelling or filmmaking,
All has changed.
उसके ऊपर भी
in fact, ऐसे अभी which movie did we see last? I was so tired. We finished. I did Diplomat, right? I finished. I was so tired. I was dying, and like I wanted to just go home and sleep. And there he's hiding. My brother was somewhere around. So anyway, he said we are going for movie, and I said okay, fine. We are very tired. रात को 12 बजे we've gone to watch this movie called Diplomat. I'm just giving you an example. अगर उन्होंने मुझे पोस्ट नहीं किया होता हम दोनों को, we wouldn't have gone. Thinking who's going to watch this? There's no big thing about the movie. The movie was excellent. For example, second movie I'll tell you, 12th Fail. Look at the movie. Initially the first few days nobody was going, nobody was there because उन्होंने कहा there is no big star, but the movie did so well. We have to have faith. हम वेट कर रहे हैं जब रिव्यू आएगा, जब कोई कुछ बोलेगा, जब किसी के ओपिनियंस आएंगे, then we'll decide. So I don't think the levels, the movie levels have gone down or the quality of the cinema has gone down. It's just people are being more experimental because we are also in the world ना जहाँ पे experiment करना जरूरी है. और नहीं करेंगे तो बोलेंगे वही चीज कर रहे हो, वही कर रहे हैं. So अगर experiment कर रहे हैं, flop हो रहा है, तो क्या हो गया? हमें तो उनको एक्सपेरिमेंट करने में भी वो प्रोत्साहित एनकरेजमेंट देना चाहिए.
क्या रीमेक्स वो एक वजह हो सकती है?
पॉसिबिलिटी, बट उसका भी एब्सोल्युटली अग्री, दैट्स ट्रू. बट व्हाट्स द, आई मीन ठीक है ना, मतलब हम गाने भी तो रीमिक्स करते ही है, हम सब चीज़ रीमिक्स करते हैं लाइफ में ना, तो एक एक्सपेरिमेंट करने में भी क्या जाता है. आई फील that's what's art na. You have to keep experimenting, you have to keep rebuilding, you have to keep redefining. Then what's the point? अगर हम पुरानी भी कोई चीज़ है उसको, अगर जैसे आप लोग भी मीडिया हो, अगर आपको कल थोड़ा, जैसे पहले तो सब आप लोग डिफरेंट होते थे, अभी तो आपको सब इंस्टाग्राम में डालना होता है, सब सोशल मीडिया में डालना होता है. सॉरी, आई वाज सेइंग दैट इवन मीडिया फॉर दैट मैटर पहले डिफरेंट था, अब डिफरेंट है. अब अभी आप लोग आप एयरपोर्ट पे भी पहुंच जाते हो, मेरे को तो लगता है कभी कभार एयरपोर्ट पे क्यों पहुंच गए, अच्छा इधर भी पहुंच गए, अरे उधर क्यों. Like everything else, like media has also evolved, it has changed, movies will also evolve, it will change, it will experiment. same चीज ही कर रहे हो पर अलग तरीके से. सर है ना, करने दो. नहीं
अच्छा क्या मैसेज देना चाहूँगी ऑडियंस who are looking forward to watching Bollywood, South Africa
not cinema die. I want to start with that because somewhere it's really hit me. Because I am a child of cinema, and I think all of us are. So मेरा ये message होगा to come see the show because this is a show where you're going to fall in love with Bollywood again. If you have little वो जो hopes आपकी थोड़ी कम हो गई होगी, no I don't like it's so creepy, it's so shady, वो जो आपकी एक कुछ बहुत जनों का व्यू पॉइंट्स है, you will change it because suddenly you'll realize no. So it's a journey through the different aspects of Bollywood and how Bollywood plays such an important role to the whole world. So it's an absolute entertainer. आप जब आओगे आप देखोगे बॉलीवुड गानों पे वहाँ से कोई ट्रपीज करते हुए नीचे आए, यहाँ से कुछ हुआ, यहाँ पर सारे एक्टर्स आ गए, यहाँ पर बॉलीवुड डांसिंग हो गया, अलग अलग एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ बॉलीवुड डांसिंग है. We've got Banjara act, we've got cabaret act, we've got थोड़े बहुत Latin dance forms. And what other dance forms we have? Tango, Latin styles we are putting, Bollywood of course. So all the different Bollywood के जितने dance styles रहे हैं, we've tried to bring in all of that. So it's a full Bollywood masala, entertaining, musical, okay, musical spectacular. So I'm sure people are going to love the fact they are rekindling themselves with Bollywood. And what would you want to add? What's special about it?
I think something that no one's seen. I watch a lot of live shows, so we are bringing something, a different take on a stage show. This mix of circus, Bollywood, and magic acts are there as well, and the AI factor, the acting. There's
They
lots
also
of
bring in-
elements. Yeah, lots of surprise elements, and I think our efforts to entertain is going to be achieved. It's something for everyone to just go, relax in 2 hours. Within 2 hours, you're going to come out with a smile on your face. Have you seen something worth it? And that ticket to Bollywood would have been very
Relevant.
well worth it.
No, it has been a great learning process. As she said, I am a new age guy. Even I am learning so much about Bollywood. It's like I took the first ticket to Bollywood.
Yeah, he's got the first.
Yes, and I could relate